First of all, we know the type of friction. Types of friction. The friction are mainly classified into four categories. The first is static friction. The second is dynamic friction. And third is friction between unlubricated surface. Unlubricated surfaces. And fourth is friction between lubricated surfaces. Friction between lubricated surfaces. The dynamic friction is divided into two categories. The first is three categories: sliding friction, pivot friction, and rolling friction. And the friction between unlubricated surface is first of all divided in one category: dry friction or solid friction. And the dry or solid friction are divided. The friction between lubricated surface are divided into two categories. The first is boundary friction, and the second is fluid friction. The static friction. The static friction means when the body is in a rest position, and the opposite of static friction means dynamic friction. Dynamic friction in which the body in the motion, and the dynamic friction are classified into three categories: sliding, pivot, and rolling. When the body slide and the friction appear, this is known as sliding friction. The pivot friction means this type of joint where occur this type of friction is occur pivot friction. The pivot friction means we know the bearing and shaft joint is known as a pivot joint, and this friction is known as pivot friction. By rolling friction, when the body is roll and in the motion, and which friction is occur is known as rolling friction. We know the lubricated and unlubricated. The first of all we know the friction between unlubricated surface, the dry or solid surface. When the friction is occurring in dry or solid surface, this type of friction is called dry or solid friction. Friction between lubricated surface. When we lubricate the body and then friction is occur, then this friction is classified into two categories: boundary friction and fluid friction. Okay friends, we classify the friction. Okay, thank you.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.